Hey Banks gang, it's Anylah here. Welcome to my channel, honey. And if you is new, then I just want to say, hey, my name is Anylah, and you should definitely consider subscribing, honey, because it be lit. I be telling some crazy story times that you probably ain't never heard. It's just crazy, just all the way around the board crazy. So if you like crazy stuff, and I know I be yelling, but I can't help it, y'all. I can't. That's just how I talk. So yeah, and if you a Virgo, shit, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's over here or over there. It's somewhere, honey. But click it. It's right. Today is December 1st, 2022, honey. Welcome to the damn December. I'm currently at my job. I'm at the Starbucks, honey. I'm at the Starbucks. I'm about to go get me a drinky drink. And then after this, I need to go get some gasoline, because I got 116 miles to empty, and honey, I need some gas because shit, I got a lot of errands to run today, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, hell, so y'all can see my crazy life, the shit I gotta do. So I gotta renew my vehicle. Ooh, where I put it at? Did I lose it already? No, hell no. I just had the shit. I got it. Can't expose the other side because it got personal information on there. But I need to go renew my license plates. And I don't know where to go. Like, it's telling me I could do it online, but I want my stickers right now. So, like, where do I go? I got to write my grandma a letter and have the kids write on there and send it to her and go drop that shit off in the at the mail place. I got a lot of shit to do today. But I just wanted to tell y'all that shit, and I'm just going to take y'all with me. So, let's go. I went to Starbucks, y'all. Look, I swear, my coworkers are such a doll, y'all. Look at my drink. They put a heart on my drink. I went to Starbucks. Now I'm at the car wash, as y'all can see, because I really need to get my damn car washed. And I need to vacuum it out from all of this damn traveling I've been doing. If y'all don't know, I've been in like 12 or 13 states in the last week. I got April Fresh things that go in my vent like this and stuff, or I guess they supposed to go up under the seat, honey. I'm gonna put them right here for right now because I don't know. Y'all ever lost a blunt up in here? Probably not. I gotta go to the DMV. I gotta go to my PO box. Hell, I gotta vacuum my damn vehicle out and shit. A lot of shit. I may go slide down on my cousin. I just got off the phone with my mama. I just found out that shit. Somebody that we know, he like a family member to us. He passed away. His funeral Saturday, honey, in Milwaukee. And I'm thinking about going, go pay my respects and go say my last farewell. I see y'all at the next stop, honey. When I tell you it's cold as a motherfucker out there, please believe me, it's cold as shit. I don't even know why I live in a place where it hurts. It hurts me to live at. Let me take this shit off, because I look. Yeah, so I had clumped my car out. If anybody want to know where I got my car seat covers from, they came from Amazon. Okay, honey? Check the link in the description box down there, because I'm put the link, the actual link of where I got these from down there. So now, next thing's next, I'm gonna take my ass. I don't even know where I put my key at, y'all. All right, so I gotta go to the Milwaukee and go get some stuff out of my PO box, and then I gotta go to the DMV, and then I got a bunch of other shit I gotta do that's in my notepad, because I can't seem to remember what the fuck I'm supposed to always be doing. All right, y'all, I went to the PO box. Now I am walking into the damn Walmart. Oh, I look crazy. I gotta go get some cinnamon sticks. I gotta get some hot cocoa. And I want a pecan pie. Here we go. Pecan pie, get the pecan pie. I think I'm gonna get these. They only $1.98. And then I'm gonna get some with some marshmallows. I gotta get marshmallows too. Okay, I got the goodies from the Walmart. Now I gotta hurry and go to the home. It's like 1:30, and my big daddy gotta leave and go to work, so I gotta hurry and go home. That's how the Milwaukee cars sound. They give me the Tiana Taylor, the Byron. They give me them vibes because them cars be loud and crazy as a motherfucker down there. I got to spray paint the rest of this damn garland. I got a lot of shit to do. And only did half. I need to go to Dollar Tree, but I gotta wait till my oldest son get to the home. So that shit. Well, I'm out of breath. I gotta wait till he get home so I can finish my little hot cocoa bar. I can't wait to show y'all. It's so cute. It's so little. It's so cute. If I had some nails. Clickety, clackety, clack, clack, clack. Y'all look at my nails. Can y'all believe these my real nails? Can y'all believe this shit? My nail, this 2 weeks of growth. This right here is 2 weeks of growth. And they strong as a motherfucker too. This is my left hand. This is what she looking like, honey. And then this is my right hand. This is what she looking like, honey. And they strong, honey. They is strong. They don't really bend. They don't, like, I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. I got marks from my nails. If y'all want to know how I keep my nails long and strong like this, then let me know and I'll vlog it. I'll cut these motherfuckers back off again and show y'all day by day how fast they goddamn grow. And I'll show y'all exactly what it is that I do. If y'all want to know that, then leave that down there in the comment section, honey. And then, you know, if some people say they want it, then little old me gonna give y'all what the fuck y'all want. Hey, y'all. So I made it back home. I gotta take my stuff in the house, but I just wanted to share some words of encouragement with somebody. I hope you made it this far into the video because I really want to show y'all something. But stop thinking so negative all the time. I don't know who this message is for, but this message is for you, honey. So come here and let's have a little chat real quick. I gotta tell you something that I've learned personally. So I'm putting myself out there on the front street, and hopefully this will be beneficial to you. Okay, so listen closely. Stop thinking so damn negative. When you think that your life is falling apart, that ain't even what it is. What it is it's just falling into place. That's it. Stop thinking so negative. Think positive. Because if you don't know, I had got shadow banned on TikTok for almost 5 months. And when I tell you that they stopped my bag, honey, I went from getting some money on the TikTok to making like $10 a month, making like 7 cents a day, y'all. Like, my bag got stopped, okay? And it was very discouraging. It sure was. And I was starting to feel defeated. I ain't gonna lie, I was starting to feel defeated. Like, damn, I can't even do shit. Collabs be fun because I like to just be me and show y'all some shit. It was very like, it wasn't a pretty place to be in. It wasn't a pretty place, and it damn sure did not tickle in that place. It didn't. So I just wanted to let y'all know that after all of that shit and telling myself, think positive, girl, you need to think positive. And I started to think positive, and I started to be honest with myself, and I started to get on the camera and vent to people a little bit. Tell them some crazy story times. So if you are not following me on the TikTok, honey, go and follow me over there. Anylah, I'll put it on the screen. So make sure you follow me there because I got some crazy story times over there. I promise you. So, yeah, I just want to let y'all know that I got a whole collab right here. I don't know how to pronounce this company's name. I think it's Temu. I don't know, but this company. And it's not just one, it's two collabs. So I think that's pretty cool. So I just wanted to share that with y'all because if you think positive shit will happen to you. Positive things will start happening to you. So get out of that negative mind space. I know it's easier said than done. I get it completely, but I promise you, just take a baby step. Just as long as you put that foot out there, the other one will follow, honey, because you ain't gonna be stuck in that awkward ass position for long, okay? Just take baby steps, and eventually you get to a walk, and then you get to a jog, and then you get to a run, honey, and then it's just like you can do it in your sleep. So it's levels to this shit, but I'm telling you, don't get out that negative mindset and change it for the better. Make sure you're thinking positive. I promise you, blessings will start falling from the sky. Y'all know over the last 4 days, I just been getting money every single day without trying. Like, it just been coming to me. So I'm telling you, Be positive. Think positive. I guess get to showing y'all some more shit, because I got some more shit I got to do today. So yeah, I see y'all in a sec. First things first. Oh, I got an echo. I'm sorry. First things first, I got to start spray painting the rest of this damn garland and this shit. I'm probably doing this shit all the way wrong, but I don't know. I don't know how to properly do this shit. I'm doing it the best way I can, shit. And I don't care who don't like it, okay? You play too much. So I'm using some candy pink. Oh, let me put it in my dominant hand. Even though I'm both-handed, I'm gonna put it in the dominant hand. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just spray that baby. Spray her, spray her. I'm quite sure I'm not supposed to be doing this because the door closed. I should open that. And yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm making my little hot cocoa thing over there, and I have bought some more stuff. First of all, let me tell you something. I'm already preheating my damn oven because I'm about to make this pecan pie. I don't know about you, but honey, I love me some pecan pie. I gotta go to Dollar Tree to get some white vinyl because I need to put the sticker things on here, the labels on there, and in our little sign, I need to put my vinyl and stuff on here. So I'm about to organize this. I'm gonna take these hot cocoa packets out and put them in this dish and take all the rest of this stuff out so y'all can see. But I'm making a whole TikTok on this, so if you want to see how I did it, then make sure you check me out over there on the TikTok. Otherwise I'm gonna end up posting this as a short. But yeah, honey, I'll come back and show y'all what it looked like when it's done. That's what she looking like right now. Y'all look, my baby had broke my back piece. So I'm just gonna stick it on up here. And let's see what she's doing up there. And I'm gonna position it to how I want it. And then I'm gonna hot glue that shit into place. Well, I just heard something drop up there. Yeah, I'm gonna just hold it like this. All right, y'all, I'm in my car. You know why? Because I didn't have enough time to go to Dollar Tree. I told y'all I needed to go to the Dollar Tree. And I needed some marshmallows and I need some white vinyl. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree to go get that. I need to go get some gasoline because my car got 35 miles to eat now. So that's where I'm on my way to. Y'all, I'm stopping to get gasoline and I want to show y'all a trick if y'all didn't know. So I'm gonna take this nozzle and I'm gonna put it on in here like so, and I'm gonna press my 87. What I'm gonna do is it's gonna be these nozzles, this right here. I ain't gonna put it all the way up here. I'm gonna put it down here on that first latch. You put on the first latch and it's gonna move real slow, but you're gonna get more gas. You're gonna get less fumes and more gas. So I just got gas for $2.99 a gallon, and I always do my gas like this. I highly recommend it because I promise you my car be drinking that shit. She ain't no gas guzzler though, cause she an EcoBoost, but still. Let's see how much $40 get me. I'm already at 15 and I'm almost at half a tank. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I got 333 miles to the E. I almost got a whole tank. I like the number 333. It's getting it, boy. But I'm on my way back to the Walmart to go get some baby wipes and I don't know. I got it on my damn thigh. I need to get some marshmallows. And I gotta come back and do some more shit. Cause I still gotta do that collab. I ain't had time to do that collab.